Sona, and today I will be informing you about the problem garbage has caused over the years. The rising problem of garbage everywhere in Freetown is causing serious health issues upon humans and animals. There are causes of illnesses, destroyed habitats, and even death caused by garbage. From throwing garbage out the windows to toast a cigarette butt, plastic domestic waste on the street. Many habits we have picked up over the years all contribute towards destroying our environment and health. And what it has to offer, the fact that lives of people and animals are being affected by littering of garbage throughout our terrain. It is time for our nation to solve this problem in hope of living a healthier lifestyle. According to the Ministry of Health and Sanitation, there are thousands of malaria cases reported every year in Freetown. About 1,000 people are affected by diarrhea every month, and this disease is caused by a bacteria live in that and filthy environment. This horrific and deadly disease are parasite disease caused from bacteria, contaminated water, and poor hygiene practices in the lives of the privileged settings of Freetown. How would you react if your home was infected with garbage? Animal inhabitants have been and are polluted with deadly bacteria such as these living conditions for people having become unbearable to live in for these poor conditions, causing death, and no place is safe. Naturally, this situation is caused by dense populations and our activities we have selected to do in our everyday lives. But when it ever stops?